Hello everyone, it's a nice sunny day outside, and so I thought I would do some early morning baking so that by the time we eat it, the thing that we're making is cold. It's really nice warm as well with custard, but this is what we're going to be making. We're going to be making bread and blueberry pudding pots. They're my own invention. Again, it's one of those like, you've got stuff to use up and it needs to be used, do it. So you'll need either bread rolls, like stale bread rolls, doesn't matter, as long as they're not mouldy, it's fine. Or we've got muffins. And we're going to cut those in half, and then you're going to need like little croquette pot things like this. Obviously, you could do this in like a big Pyrex dish and do a massive one, but it's really fun doing them like this. So if you've got these, use these. And then we're going to cut them. I'll get my knife. We're going to cut these in half. Before you put your halves in, you're just going to do a little splash of milk at the bottom of your bowl. This is the fun part. I love doing this. Ready? So satisfying. Then we're going to add in our fruit. You can do this with raspberries. Raspberries is particularly nice for like spring and summer. I've got blueberries because that's what I've got. So, and you do a really big amount of fruit, because this is all just going to like squeeze down. I'm going to use all of those. There we go, I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to do a bit more. It's a good, generous amount of sprinkling. And you could add, in fact I think I might, like a blob of jam on top, like a contrasting one, so I might do lemon curd, I think, with this. But you know, you could do this with chocolate if you wanted to have a more decadent, naughty one. But I've got my faithful jar of Nutella. Look how big that is. Woo! But I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to... Here's a tip, by the way. If you have a jam that's like really stiff because it's been in the fridge and you need to like spread with it, if you just stir it around in the jar a little bit, it makes it so much more sort of smooth, and so you're not going to get any bumpy bits. There we go. I'm going to put a nice big dollop of lemon curd in the middle. I think that would be very nice. Lemon curd. Right. And then we're going to put our little lids on. Squidge them down. So they almost look like little donuts. They're amazing. Look at that. So nice. And then we're going to do another little splash of milk on top. If you pour it at the very top and then just sort of let it plunge down, and this will just help sort of soften things and make things bake nicer. It's so friendly. And I am going to use Demerara for the top, and because the bread soaks up the milk, it sticks really nicely. So it creates this beautiful, crunchy, sugary top. It's just the best. Right. And then they're going to go in the oven at 200 for 15 minutes. And then they'll be done. So then you can normally eat them like hot. Or what we're going to do is I've made these this morning so we can have them tonight for tea, cold, with... I'm either going to make a lemon icing, so it's like a really nice bun cake thing, or I'm going to do it with a blob of natural yogurt. Either way, it's delicious. Anyway, hope you enjoyed these. They pretty much look like that when they come out of the oven, but I'll show you when they come out. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'll just get that out. Oh, yes. Look at that. So beautiful. my oven off now, which is good.
So there we go. There you have them. Enjoy.